The Fibonacci sequence is an additive recurrence functioning as a rigid algebraic operator. Applied to higher dimensional structures, it forces a topological collapse. Mapping this pattern into a matrix, volumetric equation, or polynomial system produces exact outcomes. This parameterization zeroes out matrix determinants. It reduces complex volumetric functionals into simple linear expressions, and forces the root traces of high-degree polynomials to lengths of a golden ratio, phi. We can demonstrate these results through three closed-form algebraic derivations. The simple arithmetic of Fibonacci addition acts as a geometric constraint, forcing high-dimensional algebraic spaces to collapse onto lower-dimensional limits. Consider a 3x3 matrix, M, populated by consecutive Fibonacci triples across its rows. Examining the relationship between the column vectors C1 and C2 reveals the underlying recursive structure. Because of the recurrence relation, the third column, C3, is the sum of the first two. This strict linear dependence guarantees the determinant of matrix M is exactly 0. The matrix kernel is spanned by a specific invariant vector, 1, 1, -1. Geometrically, this singularization collapses a three-dimensional coordinate grid into a two-dimensional plane. This brings us to Corollary 1.1, the phase line extraction. Solving mv equals lambda for any scalar forces the space to collapse onto specific affine lines defined by z equals lambda minus x and y equals x minus lambda. The recursive constraint strips a three-dimensional mathematical object of its full rank, restricting all potential solutions to a single affine phase line. The Konrad volumetric functional is defined for any triple where the first variable a equals the sum of b and c. We begin the reduction by substituting b plus c for a in the numerator and expanding the resulting cubic polynomials. This expansion generates tail terms, including cubic powers of b and c. These cubic terms cancel out, leaving a condensed numerator of bc times 2b plus 3c. Dividing by the denominator leaves the final reduction, 2b plus 3c. This creates a new sequence, I sub n, defined as 2f sub n plus 3f sub n minus 1. This reduction flawlessly preserves the initial recursive structure, where I sub n plus 1 equals the sum of the two preceding terms. Applying the Fibonacci constraint to this volumetric function excises the cubic complexity, returning the system to its original linear recursion. Here is a system of coupled cubic and quadratic equations, parameterized by the constants a, b, c, and d. In this system, the coordinate 1, 1 is a trivial solution. We isolate y in the quadratic equation, expressing it in terms of x squared. This y value is then substituted directly into the cubic equation. Cleaning denominators yields a quartic polynomial with a leading coefficient of bk squared. Vieta's formulas extract the sums of the four roots for x and y as exact fractional ratios of our parameters. We now replace the generic constants a, b, c, and d with consecutive Fibonacci numbers. As the sequence index approaches infinity, the ratios of these variables reach specific limits. In the ascending orientation, the trace sum of the roots asymptotes exactly to negative phi. In the descending orientation, the ratios invert and the sum asymptotes to negative 1 over phi. By injecting Fibonacci constraints into the system, the four roots of the quartic polynomial are anchored to the exact limit of the golden ratio. We can validate the trace equivalence using the n equals 8 ascending case, where a, b, c, and d are 21, 34, 89, and 144. This substitution into the quartic equation yields four roots that satisfy both initial equations. From these results, we can isolate an exact rational root, negative 7,921 over 33,552. The underlying mathematical architecture forces these rational factors to appear, maintaining the predicted Vieta trace sums. This leads to Theorem 5, the Lucas conjugate extraction, which relates contiguous area identities to Lucas numbers. These identities demonstrate how Fibonacci and Lucas sequences remain structurally coupled within these algebraic operations. These derivations are exact algebraic identities, requiring no approximation or rounding. The golden ratio is a rigorous mathematical boundary condition forced upon higher-order algebraic structures by the laws of simple arithmetic recurrence.